Hey everyone, it's Patty. I'm so excited to be sharing with you my Valentine's home tour. Now, I normally am not a big Valentine's home decorator, but I was really excited to throw in pops of pink and just decorate for Valentine's Day this year. We were really sick for a while, and I just felt like this really brightened up the house and made things really fun. So let me go ahead and show you the areas that I decorated for Valentine's. Now, if you saw my winter home tour, most of the things are the same. I just added like pops of pink or little Valentine touches. So this is kind of an entryway area where I like to have a gallery wall. So most of this is the same from the home tour, but I did add a bunch of roses, and then I also added this pink wreath that I really liked. I was going to change my letterboard, but Alexa still hasn't cleaned my house, so I figured I would keep that the same. Then this all you need is love sign is from Walmart, super inexpensive, and then that little pink flower pot is from Target Dollar Spot, and then the greenery inside of it, I picked it up from Hobby Lobby, and I felt like it fit perfect in the little pot. And then any of the other details that I don't mention are mentioned in my winter home tour, so I'll leave that video linked down below. The little pink beaded garland, that is by Opal House at Target, and then I just stuck some faux flowers in one of the little vases, and I thought that was like a fun touch of pink to my winter decor in this area. And the TV stand I left totally the same. Next, we have the other side of my living room. On this side table, I just put this on my heart, and that, oh my heart, and that was from Walmart. And then that little candle holder with hearts is from the Dollar Spot years ago. Then I have this little ornament. I don't remember where I picked this up from. It was several years ago. And then I just added some pink flowers to this black vase. I really like adding pink florals, faux pink florals, so they last. And I love that touch of pink. This blanket is by Opal House, and I get it less than $10. You can get it on sale for like $7.50, and I love those blankets. They're such a great bargain, and they're super soft and cozy. Then I just grabbed a couple of pink pillows from my daughter's room and threw those on the couch too. I always borrow their pillows each year because those are just in like a little nook in their room. Then something really fun that I decided to do was I ordered this print from Walmart. I already had the wood pieces to hang it, and I ordered this print, and these are all pictures that were recently taken by a photographer when we had baby number 4, and I love those family pictures. Then off to the side of the living room, we have an extra space there that is like a homeschool / playroom. And here we have the kids table just with like a runner from the Dollar Spot and some little hearts from Dollar Tree, I believe. Pretty much all the Valentine decor you'll see here are things from the dollar store or dollar store or Target Dollar Spot, and a lot of these things I already had from years past, and I added a couple things like that banner is from Dollar Tree. Then the market stand is actually by Kidcraft, and I really like that. That's an awesome addition we added to this space, but this was really fun. And then I also added some Valentine books to the space. Next, we have our dining room, and like I've mentioned before, I like keeping the table pretty clear, something that's easy for me to move if the kids and I are going to be working at the table doing schoolwork, or we have guests over and we needed more space. So I just have this pink pitcher that is from the Dollar Spot a few years ago and some faux tulips on a stand from Hobby Lobby. Then this area is my coffee station, one of my favorite areas to decorate. I have this banner, this EXO banner I bought years ago from Target, and then I have like a little pink garland. Then all of these things are from the dollar spot, except for the EXO sign. That is from Michael's this year. And then the little pink sparkly heart was on a stem from Walmart, and the heart jar was also from Walmart. And then pretty much everything else is from Target. Those pink plates are actually from the Opal House line this year. But everything else I'm pretty sure is from the dollar spot either this year or years in the past. In our kitchen, I like to keep the decor pretty simple too because our kitchen is pretty small. So I just have this marshmallow fireside candle. Then this little house was from Christmas, and I was looking at Hobby Lobby for some Valentine houses that I saw, and I couldn't find it, so I just added like a little pink sticker. And then I have some faux roses there in a picture from Magnolia Market. Then this here is our pantry because we do not have a pantry, so this is what we do. We have like a little island with some shelving. The top shelf I left the same just because we have so many jars up there. Then the bottom one I added this little heart garland that I've had for several years. Then I added this basket, which was super fun to do. I DIY'd the banner, and then I just added things that I use with the kids throughout the month. So there's like paper plates, napkins, cupcake liners, things to decorate the cupcakes, cookie cutters, all that fun stuff are in that basket. And then I just added the banner that I DIY'd. And then this tray, we keep all our produce, but I also decorate the front of the tray and keep the produce towards the back. So that Made with Love is from Hobby Lobby this year. The heart jar was from Target a few years ago. That Love You little sign is from Walmart. And then that candy jar is from the Target dollar spot this year. And I just filled it with, instead of the conversation hearts, they are conversation hearts, but they're the Sweet Tart brand, so they taste much better. A little pro tip if you don't like the conversation hearts. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked seeing the few touches of Valentine's decor that I added. Let me know what color you mainly decorate with. I love those pops of pink, but also adding some red. Thank you so much for watching.